वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। पिछले साल का CTET पेपर 2 का F कोड का यह पेपर है। यह भाग उन परीक्षार्थियों के लिए है जिन्होंने भाषा 2 का विकल्प अंग्रेज़ी चुना है। पार्ट 5 लैंग्वेज सेकंड इंग्लिश। यहाँ पर हमें एक पैसेज दिया हुआ है, उसे पढ़ के क्वेश्चन नंबर 121 से लेकर 128 तक के क्वेश्चन को हमें सॉल्व करना है। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 121। रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस एंड चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। नीचे दिए हुए 3 सेंटेंस को हमें पढ़ना है और उसमें से कौन सा सही कौन सा गलत ये बताना है। इसका सही उत्तर है पहला, B एंड C आर करेक्ट, A इज इनकरेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 122। वाई डू यंग पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड कम टू दिस कैंप? The correct option is number 4, to improve themselves and the world around them. Question number 123. To prepare themselves and get warmed up for the busy day ahead, the young people, the correct answer is number 2, partake in some outdoor games. Question number 124. In the afternoon, which of the following activities can camp member not select? The correct option is number 4, yoga and public speaking. Question number 125. The camp are justifiably named reach out because. The correct option is number 1, members are encouraged to collaborate with the neighborhood organization. Question number 126. All the 7 days at the camps are. The correct option is 3, not the same routine wise. Question number 127. Identify the underlined word part of speech in the sentences given below. The sentence is, they also meet many other people who have the same interest and belief. The underlined words are also and interest. The correct option is number 1, adverb and noun. Question number 128. Complete the word analogy. Confident, shy, average. The correct option is number 2, extraordinary. नीचे और हम एक पैसेज दिया हुआ है, इससे पढ़ के हमें 129 से लेकर 135 तक के क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना है। पैसेज आप पढ़ लीजिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 129 है, हाउ मेनी बॉयज हैड मिस स्कूल टू गो फिशिंग टू द कैनल दैट डे? द करेक्ट आंसर इज नंबर 1, 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 130, द वर्ड लेजी इन द फ्रेज अ स्मॉल लेजी स्ट्रीम ऑफ अ डर्टी वाटर मीन्स. द करेक्ट आंसर इज नंबर 4, स्लो. Question number 131. Why did the boys' heart grow braver by the minute? The correct answer is number 3. They could no longer see the school building. Next question is question number 132. When should the boys have been at that time of the day? The correct answer is number 4, at school. Question number 133. Arrange these sentences as per the sequence in which they occur in the passage. नीचे हमें 4 sentences दिए हुए हैं, इसे हमें सीक्वेंस से लगाना है जैसे कि पैसेज में दिए हुए हैं। इसका सही आंसर है पहला। फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 134. आइडेंटिफाई द अंडरलाइन वर्ड पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच इन द सेंटेंसेस गिवन बिलो. द सेंटेंस इज, Glenn spied many tiny fish darting to and fro in the murky water. The correct answer is number 2, verb and adjective. Question number 135. Complete the word analogy. Imposing, impressive. Torrency. The correct answer is number 4. Question number 136. In which method does the learner's first language play a central role in teaching? The correct answer is number 4, grammar translation method. Question number 137. Chetan's first language was Bhojpuri. Since arriving in Tamil Nadu, he no longer speaks Bhojpuri and only speaks English with the native. When the new second language replace the native language, this is an example of. The correct answer is number 4, subtractive bilingualism. Question number 130. Which of the following support a pre-reading activity? The answer is number 4, using a prediction task. Question number 139. Which of the following is true about the remedial teaching? The correct answer is number 1, providing support to improve performance. Question number 140. हमें यहाँ पर एक assertion A दिया हुआ है, English is an associate official language in India. रीजन आर दिया हुआ है, इंग्लिश इज टॉट एज अ फॉरेन लैंग्वेज इन इंडियन स्कूल. द करेक्ट आंसर इज नंबर 1, ए इज ट्रू बट आर इज फॉल्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 141. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ लैंग्वेज? द करेक्ट आंसर इज नंबर 4, लैंग्वेज इज स्टैटिक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 142. रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस एंड चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. असर्शन दिया हुआ है, प्रमोटिंग स्टूडेंट टू रिकॉल प्रीवियस नॉलेज इज इंपॉर्टेंट. रीजन आर दिया हुआ है, रिकॉलिंग द प्रीवियस नॉलेज हेल्प स्टूडेंट कनेक्ट द नोन knowledge to the new knowledge. The correct answer is number 3. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 143 दिया हुआ है. A teacher of class 8 asked her learner to produce a leaflet about saving energy at home as an assignment. This task catered to which feature of language? The correct answer is number 4. Positive imperative. Question number 144. While planning a lesson, one of the objective is to enable learner to produce typical business communication with customer. This objective match with one of the type of text genres listed below. The correct answer is number 3, letter. Question number 145. A teacher asked student to look at the 4 musical instruments in the picture and discuss why they are used in a different musical context. Choose the cognitive skill that match this activity. The correct answer is number 1, analyzing. Question number 146. When monologual speaker move from formal to informal mode of speech within the same spoken or gesture idea, they are engaging in. The correct answer is number 4, code switching. Question number 147. Children's informal interaction, friendship and relationship with other in their community are based on their use of which form of language? The correct answer is number 2, language socialization. Question number 148. In the case of vocabulary use, grammar provides a pathway for learner to. The correct answer is number 1. Question number 149. Which one of the following is not a classroom resource for learner in teaching learning of language? The correct answer is number 2, classroom procedure. क्वेश्चन नंबर 150. यहाँ पर हमें एक असर्शन दिया हुआ है और एक रीज़न दिया हुआ है. इसका सही आंसर है चौथा. बोथ A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation for A.